What's up, YouTube? We got 3 blasters of Donruss football 2022. Nothing like dropping football cards after the season's over. Panini almost a full season behind. Anyways, just kind of out of the habit of buying, a set of 3 as soon as you get the notification for Target. Just bought it. And about an hour later, I was like, you know what, I'm going to end up returning those anyways. And they've been sitting here for a while. Nothing to do. We're going to rip them up. I've been hearing that these Target ones were doing well. Because they don't have as many configurations as they used to do. Because they're behind and it's trying to catch up. And I think all the case hits are possible, and the auto case hits are still possible to get in here. So we'll see. We'll go slow through the first couple packs, George Kittle, until we can figure out the pattern, and then we'll just jump to the good stuff. Tony Romo. Drake London, so it's just the back 2 cards. And Dalton Schultz, press proof red, probably just Target red. So it's just the back 2 cards, huh? Got something funny back there. Different texture. Josh Allen base. John Elway, Michael Vick. Man, Donruss pulling out all we got. Roger McCreary, George Pickens, and Najee Harris. Dan Marino. Just quarterback city. Nick Benito. Trey McBride. Backwards. Ooh, Rookie Evolution. Interesting. Joe Montana, Zach Wilson, Joe Burrow, Kobe Bryant, not that one, and he's number 8 even, that's crazy, good for him. Kayvon Thibodeau, Hall of Fame inducted Tony Baselli. Unfamiliar with that person. Unfamiliar with that person. Kid Reporter. Case hit. The backwards card. Man is drowning in base cards here. I'm familiar with that person. Zach Martins. Action All Pros. Dallas Cowboys. Nothing like getting lineman inserts. First box, bit of a dud. Bit of a dud. Alright, that's fine. We're just keeping all the fire for the next one. Justin Herbert, Mike Davis, Brock Purdy. Okay, now we're picking it up. Too bad he's not going to play it all next year. Jalen Tolbert, Nick Chubb, AP, Action All-Pro. Man, I pulled a, whatever the hanger pack exclusive is, orange something something, out of Mosaic. My first hanger pack I bought. Not, I don't say hanger box. They don't make those anymore. Hanger packs. Got a Brock Purdy, Mitchell Trubisky, and debated on selling it or grading it, and then he got hurt. So, graded it is. But, should have sold it. Looks like we've got our Hall of Fame inductee. Just following the same pattern here. DJ Moore, we got Cam, Taylor Britt, Romeo Dobbs, Road to the Super Bowl, Joe Burrow. And all of these cards are just smashed to hell on the corners. Lacine, Vikings, kind of got hurt early on. Alec Pierce. Production line, Matthew Stafford. You know, back in the day, it had been serial numbered to that. 4,000. Karen Williams, Sam Howell, Jameson Williams, rated rookies canvas. All right, he was pretty good. Kind of came on there at the end. Cameron Thomas, just happy to be there. Look at that guy. Wow, we only had one rookie. I missed something. Joey Bosa. One rookie, and then into Kirk Cousins press proof. Nice. Captain Kirk. Entering into the yearly drama of will they, won't they extend him? What's going on? Another pretty weak box, though. Am I missing a pack? I think I put the first pack base on top of that one already. All right, we saved the best box for last. Clearly. Let's get it. Big money, no whammies. Isaiah Spiller, Kingsley. I'm not going to try. What do we got? Kyle Hamilton, Red Hot Rookies. And we got a rookie parallel and a rookie insert. Can we complain? We do nope, I thought it was backwards. Maybe it is. Trey Romo again, that's awesome. Alante Taylor. Bellis Jones Jr. Cam Akers, future franchise. Wasn't he just like mysteriously not getting carries for the Rams this year? I think Vay was like, oh yeah, he's going to be RB1. Just kidding. Backwards card, so we got some hope here on the back. Kobe Dean, Snoop Connor, and, oh yes, Deshaun Watson Vortex. Some more backwards cards. Malik Willis, George Karlaftis, Dominators, Cooper Kupp, not serial numbered. Man, get my butt kicked here. Oh, Kid Reporter. Christian Watson and Hassan Haskins. At least the Christian Watkins didn't get totally crushed. And the last pack, well, last pack mojo. Let's do it. We got something back there. All right. Rashad White. Kyer Elam. Scary Terry, Elite Series. Okay. So, unless there was like photo variations in there that I'm missing, I don't think we got anything crazy. Rookies. Christian Watson, Malik Willis, Sam Howell, Lucene, Romeo Doubs, Brock Purdy, Kayvon Thibodeau, Kobe Bryant, George Pickens. I think Drake London was decent too, but the Falcons weren't. Jamison Williams, rated rookie canvas. Scary Terry Elite. Dominators Cooper Kupp. Vortex Deshaun Watson. Cam Akers. Kingsley Enagbare. Packers. Man, we had Packers. Red Hot Rookies. Kyle Hamilton. We did have a red Kirk Cousins. Matt Stafford with a crush top left corner. Joe Burrow over to the Super Bowl. Nick Chubb. Eric. Nope. Zach Martin. Tony Baselli. Najee Harris. And Dalton Schultz. So, despite what you hear or see, not all of these target boxes are fire, because that was 3 boxes of junk.